Ever been on a flight, stuck with spotty Wi Fi, or hit with a sudden outage right when you need to finish something important? Good news, Google Docs, Slides, and Sheets all work offline when you set them up the right way, and today I'll walk you through exactly how to do it so you can keep working anytime, anywhere. First things first, make sure you're signed into your Google account. If you're not already logged in, just open Docs, Slides, or Sheets in your browser and enter your credentials. Being signed in prevents issues later when you try to sync your files. Once you're in, open any file or create a new one from a template or a blank document. The setup is the same whether you're in Docs, Slides, or Sheets. With your file open, go to the top menu and click File. In that dropdown, look for Make Available Offline. Click it, and this tells Google to store a copy of that file directly on your device so you can edit it without internet access. Repeat this for any other files you want offline access to. Now, if it's your very first time turning on offline mode, you might see a message saying an extension is needed. That's because Google uses the Google Docs Offline Chrome extension to make everything run smoothly. When the prompt appears, just click it. You'll be taken to the Chrome Web Store where you can add the extension with one click. Follow the quick instructions. It's a one-time setup and only takes a moment. Once the extension is installed, Google automatically syncs your offline files in the background. That means the versions on your device update with your online versions whenever you're connected again, and you don't have to manage anything manually. From now on, whether you're editing a spreadsheet on Sheets, polishing a presentation in Slides, or drafting a report in Docs, everything you enabled will be accessible even without a connection. That's all it takes. No complicated setup and no more scrambling when the internet disappears. If you found this guide helpful, stick around for more tips that save you stress and keep you productive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.